Right. So last function for that will be covered in this chapter number 3 is about the logarithm, and this video will be very short because because of the because we just learn only one base for logarithm, which is e. So we can say that it is a ln e. All right. So last one for today's lesson or this week lesson is about the logarithm or ln to be short. All right. So just a moment. I want to share my screen here. All right. Okay. All right. So before we go about the logarithm, I have one problem here. We have integration of 1 over x dx. All right. So just a quick recap from the lesson from the algebraic function. Remember, we need to always write in the form of a x n, which means we need to transform 1 over x to become integration of x minus 1 dx. Okay, right. So we have switch this one become x minus 1, and then we will apply back this formula of a xn or n plus 1 over n plus 1. So in this case, our n is minus 1. From there, we get the answer equal to x minus 1 plus 1 divide with minus 1 plus 1 and plus c, and we get the answer become negative, no, not negative, x power of 0 over 0 and plus c, and the answer will become equal to infinity and beyond infinity. Okay, right. So actually this one is not the answer, it's wrong. Okay, I'm not the answer for this question. So how to solve, or what can be done, is we will implement these two, the first one and the second one, it will becoming the ln. Okay, sorry. Ln. Okay. Right, ln. So which means these two question only will give us the solution to ln. So these two you can straight away write the answer equal to ln x plus c. Then okay, so ln x or log can only be obtained from integral 1 over x or x minus 1, which means the power of x should be 1 or minus 1, not minus 2, not minus 3, not minus 4, but minus 1 or 1 over 1. Okay, so done. So we do more example for ln. Okay, so ln here again lah. So here, only these two will give us answer for ln. So only 2, 1 and 2 will give answer of ln. Right? So, more example for ln. Alright, so let's say we have integral of 1 over 2x dx. Okay, so this one we can always bring the constant with, so we have the constant here 1 over 2, so we bring out 1 over 2 outside, so we get 1 over 2 integral ln, sorry, not ln, sorry, 1 over x. Good. Alright, so here we have 1 over x, so we have the answer equal to 1 over 2. So 1 of x become ln. So ln x. Then just put plus c. Done. Alright, simple, clear, direct. So next one, we have integral of phi x minus 1 dx. Okay, so we can bring the phi outside. We have integral x minus 1 dx. And for this case, we have integral x minus 1 will give us answer of ln. And then we have the last answer will be phi ln x plus c. Done. Okay. Right. Simple. Okay. Alright. So, okay. So in this topic also, we can also implement the method of substitution mentioned, just like we did in the last video for trigo and e. But for this learn, I want to do is something else, the other ways, which I want you to solve this. Okay, so here I have problems. I give you two questions. Integral of 1 over 3x minus 2 dx. Okay, and second one, number 2, you have integral for x minus x plus 3 dx. Okay, so these two questions I want you to solve by using method of substitution. Okay, so I give you a hint. So mostly to choose u for 1 over function or inverse function is we will pick u is this one, our u. Okay, u. And our u. Okay, so I give you a hint to choose u as 1 over minus 1. And the last, and the step is similarly like the last video. Step 1 until step 3, same step. Okay, I want you to do on your own. Okay, for these two example. Alright, so we have done for 3.2 for the first part. We have learned about the substitution method. Second one, we have learned about the trigonometry, exponential. And this video, we have examined the function of logarithm, which is we only have only two cases for 1 over x and x minus 1. These two, you can straight away write the answer is ln x plus c. Alright, class? Okay, so for today's, as we stop here, we have done 3.2 and 3.3. So next week, we will learn about the by parts as well as the by using partial fractions. Okay, that's all for today's. Okay. Alright, so we have come to the end for the video. And I hope you will get at least half from the part in this video. And don't worry, next week I will briefly explain about these three functions, and we will continue with 2 parts. Just be left with 2 parts, 3.4, 3.5, or by part and partial fraction. And I hope you will get what the video want you. I hope you will get the new knowledge, the new skill in this topic. And thank you. Have a good day ahead. Alright, bye.